Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my absolute favorite recipes. This ramen is so tasty, yet simple to make that you will never want to cook instant ramen again. If you like the recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you don't miss out on my upcoming video. Without further ado, let's cook.
We're going to start off by making a delicious broth. And for that, we will chop 2 large onions, three large carrots, 3 large celery sticks, 1 leek, and 5 large garlic cloves, all smashed with skin on. As you've noticed, all the other vegetables I also left the skin on. This is not just keeping the nutrients, but also giving a very nice color to the broth. Combine 3 tablespoons of white miso paste with a generous amount of olive oil, around 10 tablespoons. Pour the white miso paste and the olive oil mixture on top of the vegetables and coat everything evenly. Don't forget to add 350 grams of shiitake mushrooms to the vegetable mixture. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius and roast the vegetables for around 1 hour or until golden brown. Pour the roasted vegetables into a large saucepan. And add 3 liters of water. Before simmering it away, add 20 grams of Kombu, a bunch of coriander, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, salt to taste, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Simmer it for about an hour and a half. Halfway through the simmering process, your broth should be reduced. Add some more water and simmer for another 45 minutes. Once the simmering process is complete, strain and set the broth aside. For a perfect gooey center, boil an egg for 6 minutes and a half and put it immediately into a bowl with ice and water. Once cooled, crack the shell and peel the egg. And there you have it, a perfectly gooey center egg. Cook some noodles according to the instructions in the pack. Strain it and serve it along with the broth and your favorite toppings. This is your time to be creative. You can use as much topping as you like, and most vegetables work really well on top of the broth. If you want to follow my suggestions, I liked to top it off with corn, Tenderstem broccoli, the egg, mushrooms, and bamboo shoots. And that's it. A very simple yet extremely flavorful recipe of a vegetarian ramen. I hope you and your friends will enjoy this recipe as much as I and my friends enjoyed it.
I hope I have been able to persuade you to give up instant ramen cooking and that you liked this video. If you did, please leave a comment, suggestion, everything is very welcome on the comment section. Also, if you haven't seen some of my previous videos, you may do so by clicking here. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!